Hello guys, how you guys doing? Welcome once again to our channel. My name is Sam. Alright, so in today's video guys, we're going to dive into Ethereum guys, and I have very good news for you guys, okay? Because there is a comeback in Ethereum chart, and this is going to be a very fantastic and interesting trade, okay? So if you have been freaking out and looking at the Ethereum chart, what I have been doing in the past a week so, please kindly pay attention to this trade guys, because something new is happening, okay? And I wouldn't want you to miss this trade that is coming, that is developing now. All right, so let's dive into the chart as I show you the next potential trade you can take on Ethereum now, and how this trade can change everything entirely. All right, so let's dive into the chart. All right, so this is Ethereum weekly chart. You can see clearly that, all right, this is just a mere correction on the weekly chart, which is healthy. All right, so if you go down to daily now, where we can have more structure and data, we can see that obviously this is a very massive sell-off, okay? So wherever, just like look at this sell-off here, okay? Assuming if I should, hide this stuff like this, now this is a sell-off, okay? This is a sell-off. Let's look at this sell-off critically. Now looking at this sell-off now, what does it tell you anything? No, it doesn't, okay? So the only thing it tells you that is it's just a sell-off. So now there is no relation of this sell-off to this, okay? So it's just a correction of this. So now the only time you can start panicking is what happens after this. You see, understanding wave structure is very, very important in, if you want to be a profitable trader. All right, so for instance, assuming the market makes something like this and there is a fast sell-off. Now, even if you've not positioned yourself here to sell this, now the only thing that will come to your mind is this: there must be a retracement before, if this market is planning to go down and stuff like this. So you definitely need to wait for these guys. In every market there must be this, so whereby after this fast sell-off the market goes like this, so it doesn't make any meaning. At the end it will not have any effect. So now that's why I said, looking at the market now, if I should ask you, looking at the Ethereum chart now, this is a weekly chart that happened in I think this is February. So if you look at this chart now, what does this sell-off tells you? To some that don't understand what the market is doing, they'll be like, we're freaking out. Oh, Ethereum is going down, Ethereum is going down. But what does it tell you? So we're just tracking this to know the next wave after this. That's why we waited for this. We waited for this to happen. We waited for this to happen, and we're like, okay, so now since this thing is not breaking this, so we're like going for a contracting flat, and that might be, so if at the break of this, if the market is breaking this, so at the break of this, we'll be taking the next trade. And you can see what happened, guys. At the break of this, we entered, and see what happened after that. All right, see what happened after that. So now this is just a fast sell-off, and now for us to see it clearly and know how many waves that are in there, let's go to the 4 hours. All right, so if you go to the 4 hours, so what does it tell you here? We can see clearly that the market has made what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is a 5-wave structure, okay, which is qualified to be a wave. All right, this is qualified to be what? A wave. So now what we'll be tracking for now is the B wave. All right, is the B wave. So we are tracking for this. So there is a trade will be coming up that will come up here. So it's either is breaking the all-time high, or based on the structure it forms here, will give us the B wave before we are seeing the C wave, and down we go. So guys, now your next opportunity, if for instance, let's take a look. If we take a look from Ethereum from here now, you can see there's no really divergence here. So there's no structure supporting this sell-off, okay? There's no much structure on the daily. Even let's take on the 4 hours, okay, there is a structure on the 4 hour that support this downfall, but there's no structure on the daily that support this downfall. So my argument might be like, what if this is the complete retracement of this wave, okay? So nobody knows. So but one thing I wouldn't want you to miss is this: there is a trade that is coming up very soon, okay, which is likely setting up now, okay? So now I wouldn't want you to miss this trade. So now how you can position yourself for this now is this, guys. So let's go to 1 hour and I will tell you how you can position yourself. So this is a trade setup that will be coming. So definitely there will be a sell-off like this. So I wouldn't want you to miss this trade. So there will be a trade setup that will form like this. So irrespective whether this market will be breaking the all-time high or it will get stuck within this range and still come back, I wouldn't want it to miss this trade because nobody knows exactly how high this trade is going to go. Okay, so that's the potential trade that you wouldn't want to miss. Okay, that you wouldn't want to miss, and that is what is happening on Ethereum. So looking at it critically, you can see that if there is a supporting wave for this to go down, we can see that we have gotten first impulse down. So we're expecting a corrective structure up before the next impulse down. Okay, so but if this won't play out, then you must position yourself here because nobody knows whether it's coming down from here or it's breaking all-time high and making an expansion flat, running flat to go to the next 10,000 or 15,000 level. Nobody knows. All right, so for you not to miss out, so that's why taking this trade is very, very, very important. Okay, taking this trade is very, very, very important. Okay, so that is what Ethereum is telling us, guys, because the market doesn't lie. Okay, structure doesn't lie. So everything we see on the structure we do. So we can see that this is a fantastic trade, and please guys, don't miss this trade. Okay, don't miss this trade. You can see the market is retracing. So what we're expecting from this market now is to watch out for the close up at this. So but the way it's going, there might be a retest more down as you go. It might become a very complex structure in this channel before breaking out. But just watch out for that breakout, guys. Watch out for that breakout. Is very, very, very important. Okay, so now you can see that obviously if you take a look of some of the other crypto, I think they are following suit. They are following suit on this, but Ethereum is more peculiar to this stuff because I think Ethereum will rebound and it will retrace very hard. Okay, so guys, don't freak out, don't panic, and just stay calm because everything that goes up comes down, and thing that comes down they go up. Okay, so don't panic on it. So before we close this video, let's just take a look on a Bitcoin as the king of all crypto, guys. Let's take a look on Bitcoin as the king of all crypto. So you can see the same thing happening on crypto on Bitcoin. Okay, so we took a trade on Bitcoin this morning. Okay, I took this trade this morning. So now it's completed. So what are we saying? So in a nutshell, bigger picture from 4 hours, we see that there will be a pullback. Okay, so what are we expecting? We're expecting the market to retest here and comes here. Okay, so by then we now know whether it's giving us a corrective structure from here or it's still gonna give us more pullback. So but we're expecting that three wave to happen. So but where you can see clearly is on the 1 hour chart, guys. You can see from the 1 hour chart that the market is just clearing out from this. So just wait for it until you finish this because I'm still expecting one more down. Okay, I'm still expecting one more down on this before it goes. Okay, making it, because this is the first one, the second one, third, fourth, fifth. Okay, so I'm expecting one more down before this breaks out. All right, so that's what I'm expecting. So don't miss out on this, guys. Don't miss out on this trade. So how you can position yourself is you can draw this and wait for the close at above this channel. Wait for the close above this channel. That will give you a lot of breathing space and also a lot of money. Okay, like on Sunday we traded this, we have it here, and there we go. All right, guys, so that is just how we are trading it. And please, guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, guys, because subscribing and liking this video help our algorithm to grow on this channel. So kindly hit that subscription button and also hit that like button on this video. And if you have any question, if you have anything that you want to learn more about trading on how you can remain profitable, kindly get back to us. I'll be glad to help you to remain profitable and to teach you how you can position yourself for the next bull market that will be coming. All right, thank you once again and have a wonderful